Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how I make these seriously funky, bright and colourful Halloween resin keychains. So yeah, or key rings, whatever you want to call them. So I am going to show you the process of how I make them from scratch. This is also a giveaway video. So this is to celebrate my 8,000 subscriber mark. So a big thank you to you all, really. I have got five key rings to give away, so there will be 5 winners picked by a computer. So keep watching the video and we'll talk a little bit more at the end about that giveaway. Make sure you read the description box down below and I'll see you there. The resin I'm using in this video is new resin. I'm so happy. So Craft Resin asked if they could send me some of their product to try out. More than happy to do that. So I'm going to make some key rings and then I'm going to do another couple of resin projects as well. Hopefully I'm going to try and make a bowl in the future, in the next few weeks. We shall see how that goes. So this is the resin I'm using. It is a 1:1 ratio, which is just music to my ears. It means no maths. So I'm going to measure this out, stir it well, and then I'm going to come back when we're ready to pour. Right, so far so good. I have to say this resin has been a dream. So I did put the bottles in some warm water prior to using them, which does really free up and liquidize them more, and it does reduce bubbles. So that's a hint for all of y'all. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some orange stars. These gorgeous babies here. Wow! I've just dropped some in. Oh, have I? Anyway, I'm gonna add some of these and I'm gonna add maybe a couple of silvers. Not sure, see how the mood takes me. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and do that now. So it is the next day now. These are rock hard. I'm just going to give them all a colourful back. So I've decided to go with, hope you like these, purple, green and orange glitter, because they're so Halloween, and I mean I think they'll look cute behind. Didn't want to go black because there's black things in here, might not see them, not sure. But yeah, I'm going to mix the resin, come back and we'll pour. It is a moment of truth. This is my favourite part of resin. It just feels like Christmas every single time. So they are all completely dry. This has been a 2-day job because each layer needs 24 hours. So yeah, it's time to pop them out. You need to go really gentle on your moulds and then just go for it. Ah. I have got everything here I need to turn these into cute little keychains. So I've got my bail and I've got my keyring attachment and obviously the keyring itself, the charm. So I'm going to use some UV resin to attach the bail to the charm and then loop this through, and yeah, exciting, let's go. While I'm holding this UV light up, just setting these bails on, just to let you know that I have ordered a nail bar UV light, so it's just going to make my life easier for future resin projects, future UV resin projects. But this giveaway is in no way affiliated with YouTube. YouTube play no part in this giveaway. This giveaway is solely mine. I've made these to give away. Well, I've made 5 to give away. But yeah, so the rules and how to enter is all going to be in the description box below. So you just need to go and check that out, including the date, the closing date for entries. I'm going to attach these keyring attachments, which if you buy, seriously. So if you buy these from Amazon like I did, they come with this bit here with the bar and then a tiny little clasp here so that you can hook it on the bottom and hook it on to your piece like so, and then you just need to use pliers to close that gap, which I will do off of camera and come back before I cry on film. It's too fiddly to film it. And there they are, everyone. I really hope you like them. They are so funky and bright, it's absolutely crazy. The orange is my favourite, I think. If I did the whole thing in orange, it would have looked super cool, but I'm not sure. I still felt like I needed all of the colours in there just to make it extra crazy. But yeah, I really hope you like these. So please read everything in the description box below and enter the giveaway, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.